Now, it looks like global weakness is weighing down on our markets.
Yes, absolutely. As you can see, the Bank Nifty is down around 0.4%, and it has been largely resilient, you'd have to say, the Bank Nifty, considering that it touched record highs on an intraday basis in yesterday's trading session. Mid-cap index down over 350 odd points, and the Nifty down over 200 odd points at this point in time. So we have a lot to discuss over the next 60 minutes odd, but maybe we can get to our first stock that we're tracking today, which is Vedanta. The company has clarified that the business of manufacturing semiconductors will not be under Vedanta. Vivek Iyer is standing by with the details. He's tracking this story. Vivek, over to you.
Well, that's right. So there has been quite a bit of flip-flop in terms of how exactly and under which entity will Vedanta be housing this particular semiconductor business that is, that it is undertaking in partnership with Foxconn. So initially in Feb 2022, the management had said that any semiconductor business operations would be done under the holding company, that is Volcan Investments. However, in the past couple of days, the management had indicated that this particular semiconductor business operations would be done under the listed entity, leading to quite a bit of exuberance as far as the stock price was concerned. However, another flip-flop, the management clarified, to the exchanges, saying that this particular operations of the semiconductor business would now be housed under the eventual holding parent company of Vedanta, that is Volcan Investments, and this has in fact led to quite a bit of tapering off as far as the stock of Vedanta is concerned. This has led to some amount of concerns as far as capital allocation policies is concerned, and whether Volcan Investments will need any cash flow from Vedanta operations.
All right, take that point, Vivek. Thank you so much for joining in. Escorts Kubota is also, in focus. It's simplified the company's organizational structure.